The Introvert Oasis presents The Power of Thought, philosophical questions that fascinate INFJs. Prepare to embark on a captivating journey into the depths of thought as we unravel the mysteries that fascinate INFJs. In this video, we invite you to join us in exploring the enigmatic world of INFJs and the profound philosophical questions that ignite their intellectual curiosity. In a world brimming with noise and distractions, INFJs stand out as introspective souls, driven by an insatiable thirst for understanding the deeper truths of life. With their empathetic hearts and intuitive minds, they are drawn to philosophical inquiries that delve into the very fabric of existence, morality, truth, identity, and emotions. Together, we will dive into the rich tapestry of their contemplations, unraveling each question's intricacies, and uncovering the profound insights that lie within. So, prepare to be inspired, provoked, and enlightened as we journey into the fascinating minds of INFJs and the power of their thoughts. Question 1. The nature of existence. INFJs often find themselves contemplating the nature of existence. They ponder questions such as, what is the purpose of life? And, why do we exist in this vast universe? These questions fascinate INFJs because they yearn to understand the deeper meaning behind their own existence and the role they play in the grand scheme of things. To delve deeper into this question, INFJs can explore spiritual and philosophical texts, engage in introspection, and seek out meaningful conversations with others who share their curiosity. INFJs may find themselves exploring different philosophies and belief systems, such as existentialism, Buddhism, or transcendentalism. They may reflect on their own values, passions, and personal experiences to uncover a sense of purpose in their lives. Engage in practices like meditation or journaling to connect with your inner self and reflect on the purpose and meaning you seek in life. Question 2. Moral dilemmas and ethical conundrums. INFJs possess a keen sense of morality and ethics, which leads them to grapple with complex moral dilemmas. Questions like, what is the right thing to do, and how can we navigate ethical challenges in an ever-changing world, captivate their minds. INFJs strive to make choices that align with their values and have a positive impact on others. To explore this question further, INFJs can engage in ethical discussions, read ethical theories and frameworks, and consider real-life scenarios to test their moral compass. INFJs may find themselves facing ethical dilemmas in various aspects of life, such as personal relationships, professional settings, or societal issues. They may contemplate the consequences of their actions and seek to find a balance between individual needs and the greater good. Join ethical debate groups or engage in discussions with friends and family to explore different perspectives and sharpen your ethical reasoning. Question 3. The nature of truth. INFJs have a deep fascination with the nature of truth. They constantly question what truth is and how it shapes our perceptions. INFJs explore the philosophical realms of subjective versus objective truths, the influence of perception on truth, and the role of personal experiences in shaping our understanding of reality. To delve deeper into this question, INFJs can study epistemology, engage in critical thinking exercises, and explore different perspectives on truth through literature, art, and philosophical discussions. INFJs may contemplate questions such as, how does our perception of truth influence our worldview? Or, how do different cultures and societies define truth? They may examine how personal biases and societal constructs shape our understanding of reality. Challenge your own beliefs and biases by actively seeking out diverse viewpoints and engaging in respectful debates. Reflect on the ways in which your own experiences shape your understanding of truth. Question 4. The balance between individuality and connection. INFJs value deep, meaningful connections, yet they also cherish their unique identities. This leads them to contemplate the delicate balance between individuality and connection. Questions like, how can I maintain authenticity while forming meaningful connections? And what is the essence of my true self? Intrigue INFJs. To explore this question further, INFJs can engage in self-reflection, journaling, and seek out opportunities for genuine connections while honoring their individuality. INFJs may find themselves navigating the tension between societal expectations and their authentic selves. They may reflect on their values, passions, and personal boundaries to establish meaningful connections that allow them to express their true identity. Embrace your individuality and be true to yourself while actively seeking out communities and relationships that support and nurture your authentic self-expression. Before going to the last question, if you think you got some value out of this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more videos of INFJs and their unique personalities. And don't forget to check the description for more information that we've put together especially for you. For example, a selection of great books that all INFJs will enjoy. I really appreciate your support. Question 5. The complexity of emotional depth. INFJs are deeply fascinated by the complexity of emotions and their impact on human experiences. They explore questions such as, what is the nature of human emotions? And, how do emotions shape our understanding of ourselves and others? INFJs possess a unique ability to empathize deeply with others and seek to understand the intricacies of emotional experiences. To delve deeper into this question, INFJs can explore psychology, engage in introspection, and actively practice emotional intelligence. INFJs may find themselves exploring the range of human emotions, from joy and love to sorrow and pain. They may contemplate the connection between emotions and personal growth, as well as how emotional awareness can enhance their relationships with others. Practice self-reflection and introspection to understand your own emotional landscape. Cultivate empathy by actively listening to others' emotions and perspectives. Consider studying psychology or exploring therapeutic practices to deepen your understanding of emotions. As our thought-provoking exploration comes to a close, we invite you, our insightful viewers, to reflect on the questions that have ignited your own curiosity. What are your thoughts on the nature of existence, moral dilemmas, the nature of truth, the delicate balance between individuality and connection, and the complexity of emotions? Have these inquiries resonated with you? Are there other philosophical questions that captivate your mind? We encourage you to continue your journey of intellectual exploration, engaging in meaningful discussions, reading philosophical texts, and seeking out experiences that challenge and expand your perspective. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We would love to hear your insights and the questions that fuel your own philosophical wanderings. Remember, the power of thought knows no bounds. Embrace the mysteries, ponder the profound, and let your mind soar as you navigate the labyrinth of philosophical inquiry. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration, and until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep unleashing the power of thought. If you found this video enlightening and thought-provoking, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Stay curious and continue your journey of intellectual exploration. Until next time, may the power of thought guide you on the path to wisdom and understanding.